balancing college life for success and enjoyment. College is a time of exploration, where students dive into everything that comes their way, both positive and negative influences. Balancing these with academic responsibilities can get stressful, but hopefully, these college tips will help you out. 1. Time management. Plan your day effectively. Effective time management can make or break your day. Start by outlining what you'll be doing and when. This way, your brain knows what to expect. When you schedule reading for 1 p.m., your mind is prepared, reducing resistance. 2. Set goals. Give your life direction. Like a ship needing a destination, your life needs goals. Aim all your efforts towards achieving them. Whether it's academic milestones or personal achievements, having goals gives you a sense of progression every day. 3. Study. There's no shortcut. Studying daily is non-negotiable. Partying when you have a deadline looming isn't fun, but celebrating after finishing your work is rewarding and enjoyable. Prioritize your studies to make room for fun. 4. Don't stress out, embrace mindfulness. College life can be hectic, with so much to manage. Avoid stress-induced hair loss by practicing daily meditation and mindfulness. Being aware of your thoughts helps you stay calm and composed amid chaos. 5. Know when to say no. Prioritize your goals. We've all been there, staying out too late and regretting it the next day. Knowing when to call it quits ensures you stay focused and productive. A little extra time at the club won't add to your satisfaction. Achieving your goals will. Achieving balance in college isn't just about academics. It's about enjoying the journey while moving towards your goals. With these important tips, you can navigate college life successfully. Embrace the challenges, learn from experiences, and make the most of this transformative time in your life.